Before you dive into Forex, you need to understand one thing. Trading is not for everyone. Now, I have been trading for a few years and I've learned firsthand that the market can be the toughest but most rewarding teacher that you'll ever have. Now, even if you're unsure or don't think this is for you, I still highly recommend giving this a go because look, day trading is still an amazing thing. It's been life-changing for me, so maybe it will be for you. My goal is to help guide new traders through the market conditions that are inevitably going to be put upon them through these hard times, understand why some of these hard things are happening to them. And then along the way, you'll also be developing the right mindset because trading is not all about charts. It is also about risk, losses, growth, and how we deal with absolutely every single one of those things. So through these videos, you're pretty well going to be getting a better understanding of how to read the markets and hopefully how to get an edge over them. Now, I did film these videos earlier in the year, initially planning to put them on a different platform. So when you hear me referencing like rose tiers, basically that's just the way I was going to break up the course. It'll sort of still be the same way. You'll be able to identify where you are, but basically the rose tiers is just like the level or the phase that you're at within the course. I don't even like calling it a course, but within the course, based on the skill set and the level of information that you'll be learning. Okay, so let me break down these rose tiers real quick. First up, we got the blue rose tier. In this section, we're going to be covering some of the basics of trading and how to get set up before we actually look to take a trade. Secondly, we have the red rose tier. Now in this one, you'll find all of the concepts that I use when trading, broken down with some in-depth teaching of how each concept is actually used. We then move on to the white rose tier where we put together everything we've learned, all of our concepts, all of that into a trading strategy and a trading plan. And then this section also covers all of the psychology stuff and the mindset focus in trading. Finally, the black rose tier. Now this is the final tier and the goal of the entire process. Basically, we want to reach this part because once we do, we have enough knowledge and proper mindset to make profits within the markets. So these are the 4 rose tiers within the program, broken down a little bit easier so it makes a bit more sense. Now, one last thing before you go ahead and watch the first video, I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm just here to show you the process. This is exactly the way I did things. This is exactly how I trade, all of that sort of stuff. Look, it is a tough journey. I'll be real with you. It is very hard, but it is the best thing that I've ever decided to do. So I'm very grateful for it. And now I just want to put everything I've learned out to you guys. But one last important thing, again, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is completely not financial advice. You do not have to copy any of the stuff that I say. This is all just for entertainment and educational purpose only. I'm basically just showing you what I did and how I look at the markets. Do not copy me. This is a huge risk. Trading Forex, day trading in general, is a huge risk. Study it further, the risks of it, before you put any money into it. But again, if you're serious about it or if you just want to see how it goes, I'll see you in the first video and we'll go through it.